bandit, an outlaw untamed, shackled only by freedom. You wear no man's chain. Some say they despise you. Well, baby, they do. But deep down inside them, I bet they wish they were you. Bandit, you're reckless, and you live much too hard. Bandit, you're the joker in the deal of the cause. You're a legend to the old men, a hero to the child. Bandit, steal a lady's heart with only a smile. Bandit, you're reckless, and you live much too hard. Bandit, you're the joker in the deal of the cause. You're a legend to the old men, a hero to the child. Bandit, steal a lady's heart with only a smile. They call you the bandit. They call you the bandit. They call you the bandit. They call you the bandit.
Sheriff Buford T. Justice, please.
Who that?
This is Bandit Darville talking.
Where are you, you son bitch?
Before I tell you where I am, Sheriff, there's just one thing I want to say. You must be part coon dog, because I've been chased by the best of them. And son, you make them look like they're all running in slow motion. Just want to say that.
Well, thank you, Mr. Bandit. And as the pursuer, may I say you're the goddamnedest pursuee I ever pursued. Now that the mutual bullshit is over, where are you, you son bitch?
I'm right down the bottom of the hill, Sheriff. I'm 6'8" in a cowboy outfit. I got a little pygmy standing right beside me, dressed just like me. You can't miss me.
10-4.
Wait a minute.
Scratch that, hold it.
I can't lie to you, Sheriff. You're too good a man. Look over your left shoulder. We're on our way to Boston to get some clam chowder.
Bye-bye.
Snowman, how are your vocal cords?
Well, my vocal cords are fine. I'm a little worried about Fred now. He's been gnawing everything in the cab of this truck, barking and screaming. I think he's turned into a stalk of bananas. Come back.
What's your 20?
About 16 miles this side of Mississippi. Whoa, hold it. I just passed another Kojak with a Kodak. This place is crawling with bears. Where the hell are you? Come back.
I'm still trying to get rid of that Texas County Mountie. I don't know what the hell he wants.
You know what he wants. I mean, how would you like to be the dude that handcuffs a legend?
Listen, give me 5 minutes. We're going to put some moves on that mother. I'll meet you at Ole Miss.
Well, you better hurry or we can just kiss that money goodbye. You understand that?
I'll read you loud and clear. 10-4.
You got the one snowman. I'm eastbound and down.
Eastbound and down, load it up and truck it. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch old bandit run. Keep your foot hard on the pedal, son, never mind them brakes. Let it all hang out, cause we got a run to make. The boys are thirsty in Atlanta, and there's beer in Texarkana, and we'll bring it back no matter what it takes. Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch old bandit run. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch old bandit run. Them ears on, he's hot on your trail. He ain't gonna rest till you're in jail. So you got to dodge him, you got to duck it. You gotta get that diesel trucking. Just put that hammer down and get it here. He's bound it down, go it up and truck it. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch old bandit run. Westbound and down, 18-wheeler rolling. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm westbound, just watch old bandit run. Keep your foot hard on the pedal, son, never mind them brakes. Let it all hang out, cause we got a run to make. Boys are thirsty in Atlanta, and there's beer in Texarkana, and we'll bring it back no matter what it takes. Westbound and down, 18-wheeler rolling. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm westbound, just watch old bandit run. We gonna do what they say can't be done. We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm westbound just watch a bandit run. Old Smokey's got the mills on. He's hot on your trail, and he ain't gonna rest till you're in jail. So you got to dodge it, you got to duck it, you gotta get that diesel trucking. Just put that hammer down and give it hell. Westbound and down, 18-wheels rolling. We gonna do what they say can't be done. We've got a long way to go.